Check in the text below and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. This is what my hair looks like before I started using any of these products. And my hair is not in bad shape. I've been putting a lot of conditioners and products and things on it all summer long. But I am going to color it with this because I let my students who make a 100 the first time on their safety test, they get to vote whether I dye my hair blue or purple. And so the blue won. But my hair, like I said, it's not in bad shape. It doesn't have any color on it now. Very little product. I've been at work all day long and just came home and ran a little curling iron through it to try to get some of the frizzies down. But my hair was like way out of control at the beginning of the summer. It was just very frizzy, very dry, and very unmanageable. I was very dissatisfied with it. It had been behaving earlier this year, so I knew I could get it back to a good status. I just needed the right products. Kept putting like conditioners on it and baby oil and just leaving it on there and doing some deep conditioning mask and things like that. But it's pretty dried out on the ends because I roll it and put the curling iron to it. I'm hoping that these will help me keep those dry, damaged ends and not have to get them cut off, because I really would like to have my hair a little bit longer by the end of the year. I think it just looks better on me. But this is before the L'Oreal system. And then we'll see what it looks like in a month. Look at my beautiful flowers that I got for my birthday from my son, my grandson, and my daughter-in-law. She's still my daughter-in-law. They live in Austin, Texas. They're beautiful, aren't they? Made me very happy. My Heat Slayer spray came separately. I paid $4.84 for mine. My shampoo and conditioner came in a box together. Paid $14.68. Check in the text below and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. Very large container. I like my shampoos and conditioners in the pump. It's just way more convenient. In the shower and the bath, this is a restoring shampoo, has castor oil and vitamins in it. It's supposed to be for long damaged hair to reduce breakage. And I'm going to try to let my hair grow out until December. So I'm going to use these for about a month and see what happens. Creamy restoring shampoo visibly repairs damage with the system, which is what I bought, to help say goodbye to damaged links. They're proud of that castor oil, aren't they? And the conditioner. This is the shampoo. It's not very thick. It's white. I was afraid it was going to be yellow. Don't really want to put anything yellow on my hair. The conditioner. Again, white. So the conditioner looks pretty thick. These are supposed to be they're supposed to help your hair grow long. They have castor oil in them and vitamins, and it's supposed to reduce breakage and repair your hair without weighing it down. It's for long damaged hair. So this is my hair the very last time before using this. I have had it cut. I put some Colorista color on it because I did that. My kids who passed their safety test, they got to vote whether I dyed my hair blue or purple if they made 100% on it the first time. So I've used up the rest of my product that I normally use on it. I've got it curled tonight, and so the next time I wash my hair, I'll start using these products. So it feels pretty short. We'll check back in a few months and see if these do help me to grow my hair longer and keep it from having split ends and dry ends that have to be cut off. I've been using the products for about a month now. They smell great. They're super easy to use. I enjoy using them. They sizz up well, they rinse out well, so no problem with the actual use of the product. I used them last night, been using it about a month, and my hair's pretty soft. My hair's gray, so it's frizzy and dry. It's overly heat treated. I don't have any bleach products or anything like that on there now, so that's finally a good thing. But I just washed and dried my hair last night and just used a pistol blow dryer to kind of blow dry it crazy. This morning I used a Lawnge flattening brush to straighten it out a little bit, and then put a curling iron, just pulling it straight to get some of the top frizzies, because I wasn't really doing anything fancy today, just babysitting. So what do you think? Does it look long? I didn't even use any of this last night because I was like, I knew I was just going to be babysitting today. So still feels pretty good on the ends for it to be old gray hair, but give it another couple months, see what happens. This is 6 weeks later. Still feels pretty good. I don't feel compelled to cut it. I just woke up this morning and literally I had some product already on there and just kind of ran some water on my fingers and kind of like tousled it out and have like 2 little rubber bands to hold back these pieces here. But so far, I'm happy. It is December the 24th. I washed it with the Beautiful Links, put the conditioner on there, and even though I'm not wild about this, I sprayed some of this on there and just pistol blow dried it. I haven't styled it. I haven't put any more product on it, so it's not flat, and it's still frizzy on the ends because I do have to put some kind of either additional product or some heat treatment on there to get it to be flat, not frizzy up here. But it feels great. It doesn't feel like all dried out. So I'm very confident that these products are going to help me to grow my hair to the length that I'm going to want to grow it to. So very pleased. It's easy to wash. It's easy to dry. It leaves my scalp feeling clean, which is really important, so I don't have to wash my hair as frequently, and it just feels great. I'm very happy with the Beautiful Links from L'Oreal so far. So I'll report back in a few months and see if I'm still getting positive results. Here it is with a little bit of curl on it. It has some Redken glass on it. And I put a curling iron to it because I'm going to go out and celebrate with my family. So it's quite manageable. I washed it and dried it yesterday and installed it today. So I'm very happy. What do you think? This is 17 weeks and 4 days after I started using this. So my hair, how I flattened it and curled it a little bit this morning. So I've got these really crazy flyaways. I washed it last night, so it doesn't have enough product or anything on it to make it settle down. But I wanted just to show you and see what you thought if this was worth using it for 17 weeks and 4 days. So this is how long it is. It feels good. It doesn't feel dry. And it's very easy. It's a very easy shampoo and conditioner to use. I don't feel like my ends are getting like a lot of conditioning on them. They still feel a little dry after I condition in the shampoo. I mean, in the shower. So after I wring my hair out a little bit, I put a little bit of conditioner on there, kind of just run it through the ends a little bit. But this right here, because my hair is gray and because I'm older, this is just really hard to get to grow right here. You'll notice this on a lot of women who bleach their hair and women who flat iron their hair, that this piece right here is difficult to get to grow longer. I do think this part is a little bit longer than it was before. I can pull back my hair and it doesn't like keep falling in my face. So right now it's kind of like at an annoying little place where it wants to curl up in my mouth, but I do think that it's longer. What do you think? Here are some before and after comparisons. I actually used the shampoo and the conditioner and the heat treatment for a period of 3 months. I didn't cut my hair after I got this experiment started. I have gray hair. I'm a very old lady, and my hair grows thicker and longer in the back. It is thinner around the front because that's where it's graying, and once my hair started graying, it was very prone to damage, breakage, and things like that. So I need products to keep it from breaking. Like I said, I've been using the L'Oreal Beautiful Links for 17 weeks and 4 days. I haven't put any kind of coloring agent or anything like that on there, and so it's getting kind of yellow and brassy. So I'm going to stop the experiment now and start toning my hair. I'm either going to put the Bold Unique on here. I have videos up about both of these, and honestly, the shampoo works much better than the mask conditioner. You'd think the opposite would be. Or I'm just going to, for fun, color it with some Colorista. This is a semi-permanent hair coloring that washes out after 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the porousness of your hair and how often you wash it. And it's just kind of fun. It does condition my hair. It's the easiest coloring I've ever used in my life. Or I'm going to go back to my old favorite, which is Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal. And I actually just put some of the color in there. I put it in the shampoo, and this is a brand new bottle of conditioner. I haven't put any in there yet, but I just put a little bit of that in there. And normally when I do that, it keeps it from being kind of yellow and dull looking. So I may do that to the Beautiful Links because I like the Beautiful Links shampoo. If I'm going to compare it to the Pantene, honestly, I'm going to give the Pantene spot number 1. I'm going to give the Beautiful Links spot number 2. I've already added some purple Colorista to this. I can show you what that looks like. Just gonna put a slight purple tint. I'm sorry, that's the conditioner. I realize it may not be too cool to promote another product when I'm doing a product review on this, but as an experiment last night, I finished up with this. I didn't use all there's still product in here, but I just ended my experiment to show on the product review. I thought I'm going to go back and wash my hair and use my Pantene conditioner. These are my go-tos. My hair does the best with these, but I give myself a break from them every now and then because it does build up on my hair. I blow dried my hair just using a pistol blower. I did a little bit on the scalp up here just to get it to fully dry on the top. It just doesn't seem to dry on that, and it straightens out a little bit. And then I just use this straightening brush to get it to lie down flat a little bit. And I've got to show you the results. So just having done that one time with the Pantene, my hair is silky, soft. Just with the one treatment on the Pantene, I don't feel any dryness on my ends at all. I honestly was feeling a little bit dry. It's on the ends with the Beautiful Links, but it's gone. My hair, it was just more manageable. It was waving the way I wanted it to. I've been like working in the house all day long today. I haven't even done anything else to it, but the Pantene is number 1 for me. The Beautiful Links is probably the second best thing that I put on it, but I couldn't, and I'll honestly not tell you this, that the Pantene is here and the Beautiful Links is just here. While doing the experiment with the Beautiful Links, it still felt a little dry on the ends, and so I was putting a little bit of the Beautiful Links conditioner just on the ends after I towel dried it, just to make it possibly feel a little bit better. And I normally put a little bit of argan oil on my hair before I blow dry it or the next day during styling. And I just washed my hair with Pantene twice, the shampoo twice, try to get it cleaned off, and put Pantene conditioner on it one time. Didn't put any on the ends. And I blow dried my hair with absolutely no product. It has absolutely no product on it. And it just already feels better. So I'm going back to my Pantene, and I'm kind of glad about it. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.